Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment section and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. Nicholas and the PiNetwork phenomenon. Will Pi's price skyrocket to a historic high? Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, the visionary leader behind PiNetwork, continues to receive immense appreciation from the community. Many pioneers regard him as the Superman of PiNetwork, a figure who has revolutionized the landscape of decentralized finance. As anticipation builds around the long-awaited open mainnet, excitement is reaching fever pitch. The prevailing question among enthusiasts is whether Pi is on the verge of a historic price surge that could redefine the cryptocurrency market. Growing optimism and market sentiment. The PiNetwork ecosystem has been expanding at an unprecedented rate. Recent trends indicate a dramatic increase in interest, with Google search volumes for PiNetwork hitting record highs. Additionally, the platform has surpassed 50 million engaged users, reinforcing its status as one of the fastest-growing blockchain projects in history. This growing enthusiasm fuels speculation that Pi's value may surge exponentially once open mainnet becomes fully operational. A growing number of community members have put forth bold predictions claiming that Pi is poised for an unprecedented rally. Some even suggest that it could become one of the most remarkable price movements ever witnessed in the cryptocurrency market. But what factors could drive such a surge, and how realistic are these expectations? Key drivers of a potential price explosion. Several crucial elements contribute to the belief that PiNetwork could experience an explosive rise in value. Increasing adoption. Across various regions, merchants and businesses are beginning to accept Pi as a valid payment method. This growing real-world utility is expected to boost its demand significantly. The Open Mainnet Catalyst. The upcoming launch of the Open Mainnet is anticipated to remove many of the current limitations on Pi transactions, enabling full integration with cryptocurrency exchanges. This transition could lead to heightened liquidity and increased trading activity, further influencing its market value. A united and expanding community. PiNetwork's strength lies in its vast and dedicated user base. The unwavering support from millions of pioneers has fueled the project's progress, and many believe that their collective belief will translate into strong market performance, scarcity, and value perception. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require high computational power to mine, Pi's supply remains controlled and limited. As the circulating supply becomes more defined, a scarcity-driven demand could push prices higher. With so many factors converging, speculation about Pi's potential to reshape the crypto landscape is intensifying. Some market observers believe that Pi could achieve levels of mainstream adoption previously unseen in decentralized finance. However, skepticism remains as PiNetwork is yet to be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, and its final valuation will depend on real-world demand and market dynamics. For pioneers, the excitement remains palpable. Many are confident that Pi's journey is just beginning and that its true value will be realized in the near future. Some foresee a groundbreaking moment when Pi's price defies expectations and cements its place as one of the most revolutionary digital currencies ever created. Whether these predictions hold true remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, PiNetwork has already made a lasting impact on the cryptocurrency industry, and its next chapter could be even more extraordinary. Would you like me to add more details on specific aspects of PiNetwork, such as its roadmap or comparisons with other cryptocurrencies?